With the Fair Value calculator, you can easily find thousands of value stocks. Use the Fair Value search and enter the name of the stock whose value you're interested in. With a click on the name, you gain insights to the fundamental data of the stock. Here you can also see how much the stock is actually worth and how far its current price deviates from the true value. Now you should put shares into your watch list with a higher fair value than the current stock price. In your watch list, you will now see all value stocks added. In addition, you see the performance and deviation from the fair value, which is constantly updated. The portfolio manager also helps you to create a balanced low-risk watch list. The stock screen allows you to add more stocks to your watch list. Here you can select the country and size of the stock corporation, and then view whole lists of value stocks or directly add stocks to your watch list. To create a balanced list of stocks accordingly to the fair value strategy, you should put several stocks of different sizes and industries from different countries and continents into your watch list to reduce your risk. Does a stock fall in price and the fair value declines, you will automatically be contacted through email. Even if a stock has made a strong profit and you should better convert the profit into a new value share, you will automatically receive an email. Now you have put together your watch list of many value stocks and you can copy the portfolio to your brokerage account.